Right, in question 2 we have a piecewise function f here, and it's got three sections. We've got one section where we're less than -2, so if we look here across here at -2, we should have one graph to the left of this section here. Between -2 and 1, so 1 is here, we have another section of the graph, and another section to the right. Of course you don't need to draw these dotted lines, but it just gives us a better indication of these sections of the graph. So let's look here now, the first part, we'll do it in different colours. We've got 3 minus x. So the y-intercept here would be 3 if it went all the way across the graph. And for every one across, one to the left, the slope should be going down from left to right. So actually as we go back this way, we should be going up 1. And so the scale here is 1 for each axis, so we can just use the diagonals here. So it would look like so. So here we're not including, notice here that this does not include -2, so we're going to have a hollow dot here at -2, and our function's going to go back like this way. And so let's erase these little scribble marks here. So that's the first section of the graph. The second section, the middle section we've got here is equal to 2x. So we know the y-intercept there would be 0, and for every 1 across, we go up 2, and back the other way down 2. So the middle section of the graph, we are including -2, so we'll draw a solid section here, and use a ruler, but I'll just do this as best I can, and the value at 1 is not included. So we'll draw a hollow circle like this. Oh, it looks like I've got a little mark inside there. Let's tidy that up. Like so. Alright, so now we've got the last section is x squared. So from 1, well, if we square 1, we get 1. So the value at 1 will be 1. And we'll draw a thing here. For 2, the value would be 4. 2 squared is 4. For 3, we're up to 9, and that's way off the graph. So it's going to look something like this, and it's going to keep going higher and higher and higher. So this one here, x squared, is not a straight line because it's not a linear function because of this power. And so that's the reason why it's not a straight line here. It actually should be a little bit curved.